step into the Ram 2020 1500 Tradesman. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Tradesman Level 1 equipment group included, Sirius XM satellite radio, carpet floor covering, front and rear floor mats, rear power sliding window, bright white clear coat, carpet floor covering, gross vehicle weight, 6,900 pounds, quick order package 26A Tradesman included, engine 5.7L V8 HEMA MDS VVTe torque transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, DFV, front fog lamps, black cloth 40/20/40 bench seat included, front center seat cushion storage, 3 rear seat head restraints, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches aluminum polished painted included, tires 275/55 AW20 all-season LRR and sport appearance package included, grille surround 1 body color texture 1 black wheels, 18